Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to mine Dogecoin using just your laptop and CPU. But before that, I'd like to say that this is not a get quick rich scheme. Mining Dogecoins using just your laptop and CPU requires a lot of time and consistency. So you'd need to hang in there to get those profits and money. And apart from that, the link for all the process will be given in the description, so you'll not have to worry about that. And if you'd like the video, then please like, share and comment, and even subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. So let's dive into the process. First things first, you would have to make a separate folder. You can name it whatever you want. I named it Dogecoin for your convenience. Then go to virus and threat protection, go to manage settings, go to add or remove exclusions, and exclude the Dogecoin folder by going to folder and selecting it. Now the reason behind this is because the antiviral softwares usually think of crypto mining softwares as a threat to the laptop or any device, which usually isn't the case. So for smooth process of your mining, it would be preferable to exclude those mining softwares and applications from the antivirus softwares. Now the second thing that you need to is go to unmineable.com, go to downloads and download the main version. I'm not doing so because I've already downloaded it, and then I've shifted it to the Dogecoin folder here. Now you would have to extract it here. I've extracted it as well, and then simply open the application. Now click on continue. Now we'd be mining from our CPU, so we'll select CPU, and you'd have to update your mining file location. That is an xmrig file. That's the only file supported, so you would have to go to xmrig.com/download. Now here things get a little tricky. As soon as you click this, it shows the software is a cryptocurrency miner. It can be flagged by your antivirus. So in order to prevent that, we'll go to settings, go to safe browsing. Now here there is a standard protection. We'll click on no protection just for a while, and then I understand, and then just download this link. As soon as it's downloaded, we switch back to standard protection, and then what you'll have to do is again shift that xmrig file to the Dogecoin folder from your downloads. I've already done that. So that would be a zip folder. You would have to extract it, and I've already done that, so I'm not doing it. Now you have to go to the folder option, go to Dogecoin, go to the xmrig folder, not the zip folder, and select on the application, xmrig application, and open it and select next. Now here you'd have to select a coin. Since I'm showing you how to mine Dogecoin, I'll be selecting Dogecoin. Now you'd have to enter the address of your wallet. So for that, if you already do not have a Dogecoin wallet, you have to go to dogecoin.com. There are basically two types of wallet, a multi-Doge and a Dogecoin Core. So for mining purposes, I'd suggest download the Dogecoin Core wallet. The 64-bit would be preferable, and then download it. I already have it downloaded. Now click on yes, install it. This might take a little bit of time. Click select and then finish. Now this is what you're going to get. Go to file, go to much receiving address, and then copy this address and paste it here. Now a little favor that might help both of us out is this is my referral code. If you apply my referral code out here, then we'll both get a 0.25% off from our mining fees, so that'll help both of us out, and I'd really appreciate if you do so. And that's all, and the mining process will start now. So initially, because we are doing it from the CPU and not of a graphics card, the hash rate, the rate with which the cryptocurrencies are mined, will be a little low, but it will take its pace as more and more mining sessions pass by. That's all. um, if you couldn't understand anything about this video, you can leave a comment and I'll surely look into it, and I'll be uploading more videos on cryptocurrencies, so do put a comment about anything that you'd want to know about cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.